It's your Mitzi Lighting Stylist LaDonna, and today I'll be showing you how to install a chandelier in your dining room. Chandeliers are a great source of ambient lighting. Create a focal point in your dining room and set the mood for dinner with family and friends. For this project, you will need your new Mitzi light fixture. We're installing the Brigitte chandelier. Assembly instructions: voltage detector, screwdriver, box cutter, wire connectors, safety glasses, wire cutter pliers, chain pliers, drop cloth, and ladder. We're using the Character Light Fixture Kit to make this installation safe and easy. Safety first. Before you begin, make sure the power is turned completely off at the source. Go to your electrical panel or breaker and switch it off. You can check that there is no power running to the fixture by flipping the fixture switch on and off. Ask a pal, family member, or a neighbor to assist with the installation of larger fixtures. Throw on those safety glasses, hop up on the ladder, and using your screwdriver, loosen the hardware holding your fixture in place to expose 3 colored wires. Use the voltage detector to triple check that there is no electrical current running to the fixture. Finally, disconnect the wires and say goodbye. You're on your way to beautiful lighting. Attach the mounting bracket that came with your new fixture. Choose the length of chain you need. We recommend dining room chandeliers be 36 inches from the top of the table to the bottom of the chandelier. Connect one end of the chain to the loop on the body of the fixture. Then weave the cord and ground wire through. Now, thread the cord and ground wire through the loop ring, canopy, and threaded stem. Secure the loop to the threaded stem. Now, connect each wire with its matching color. Lift up the canopy and secure it. Then, screw in the light bulbs. Be sure to use bulbs that are appropriate wattage for the fixture. You can find that information in the assembly instructions. And that's it. Turn the power back on, flip the switch, and enjoy your new glow. Show us your new Mitzi piece by tagging us at MyMitzi. We'd love to see it. Be sure to check out the rest of our How to Hang series featuring several other of our favorite Mitzi fixtures.